Hi friends, this is Harmohan Singh Batra, your graphologist, is again with you. Though I promised you to give you details about combination of unit, that is surname, and tense, that is father name or initial in a signature, and then different combinations. But as many viewers asked about the matras in vernacular language, so I decided to give this particular topic today, and then we'll continue with the our next series. Now, vernacular language, I have studied only Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Punjabi, and similar language in India. Now, in these languages, upper line is becoming baseline, whereas in English and Urdu, lower line is becoming a baseline. I have no idea about other languages. If anybody is having, they can inform me. I'll be highly obliged. Now, a very specific observation you must have also observed, that there are maximum disputes, cheating, family quarrel, or property dispute, and many misunderstanding and ups and down in these languages territory where these languages are maximum used. Now, one aspect of this, when people they write wrongly matras. As per graphology, matra is basically a supportive hand or a supportive people. Now we'll see how choti e matra is generally in this. What people are doing, they connect top to the alphabet and they reach bottom. Now, just explanation about this. That means people supportive in this area, instead of they are supporting, they are using their brain to pull legs of this person. How to write correctly? We have to write first alphabet, then a standing line, and then connect the alphabet and the standing line. This means a person who wants to support is standing with responsibility and helping, using his ideas, brains, and all these things to the particular person. Now, what happens when we are writing a wrong matra? Now, this is on the left side. Left side means parents, past, regular income, or minimum income, to survive. These and few more things are getting disturbed if we are writing a wrongly choti ki matra. If we are writing correctly choti ki matra, we are getting all these benefits in our life. Same way, badi matra, people they generally write like this. Correct is this. In this is on the right side. That means future kids enjoyment planning, etc. If we are writing correctly, we are getting all the benefits. If we are writing wrongly, same benefits are negatively turned around. So it is requested to all of you that please practice correct way of writing matra so that one can grow in his life, one can get better results of his writing as well as of his life. Now I'll give you one example. There was a Z magazine in Gujarati. When they launched it, it boomed like anything. That means when J reached at top. The moment this matra is connected, this is in one shot. So the moment that matra is going down, same magazine vanished where nobody knows. I think few people, old people, must be knowing about this. So this is the best example of wrongly written matra. Even you can observe, whereas this G is written on signboard, practiced in writing or any label, you can just observe their life and accordingly you can predict them also. So this is requested to everyone that please practice the correct way of writing matra so that your life will progress and all the stated benefit will be with you. In due course, we will be concentrating or will be explaining about other matras. Now, in our next session, we'll be continuing with the signature as our program. If any query or question is there, you can call me up on this number and you can talk to me so that problems can be sorted out so that people can use their own good writing, correct writing for their own growth. Thank you.